For over 35 years, Lee has built a reputation for quality and innovation. That continues with the Lee TD330 through dovetail jig. The Lee TD330 is a cost-effective and easy-to-use jig for routing through dovetails with the patented Lee joint fit. Through dovetails are eye-pleasing, extremely strong, and can be used for a wide variety of projects. With the TD330 you can route boards up to 12 7/8 inches wide, and you can join boards of up to 13/16 of an inch, even boards of different thicknesses. To ensure you get consistent results and a perfect fit, the TD330 includes matching router bits and the Lee E-bush guide bushing. As an added feature, the TD330 can also be used on a router table. The Lee TD330 through dovetail jig, quality and precision at an affordable price. For more information on the Lee TD330 jig, visit leetools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty, the best in the business, and our customer care and technical support are second to none. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.